I'm Dino, and just giving everyone a quick update on how I found Medlife and my experiences over here in Turkey, having, I should say, 20 zirconium crowns. So I originally found Medlife on Facebook. I've always wanted my teeth done because they were a little bit iffy. So I did a little bit of research, and to be fair, they come out on top every time. Loads of great reviews, a couple of bad reviews, but you get that with everything in life, I suppose. But all in all, it seemed the best choice for me. So messaged them, had a lovely young lady get back to me, and straight away, really quickly, made the process easy for me. I sent over some photographs and some pictures to show my teeth and just sort of get a heads up on what I wanted to do and what they could do for me. And it went from there, really. So we'll start with coming over to Turkey. I had to get 2 flights over. So I flew to Hamburg, took about an hour. I was waiting around for about 45 minutes, got another plane over to Turkey, so I was here really, really quick. I was a little bit nervous because I didn't know what to expect, but Deniz from Medlife was constantly messaging me and talking to me, so that was great. Got outside the airport and boom, there was somebody there waiting for me, grabbed my bags and luggage and put me in this limo thing, this van thing, which was nice, very comfortable. Brought me straight over to the hotel, made sure I was checked in okay, made sure everything was okay and I was happy, and yeah, great. So then the following day, I would say, woke up, had a message from Deniz with my appointment, went downstairs, they took me over to the dentist. Obviously, again, like anyone would be, it was a little bit nervous, but they were all chatty, talking to you, just making you feel calm, and you know, so the atmosphere was nice. It's a lovely, lovely setup. Quite funky actually, quite young, quite cool people with us, which was nice. And then yeah, took me straight in, had my x-rays done of my teeth, which was painless, nothing at all. It's just like a machine, goes around, checks everything out for you. Then they put me back into the waiting area, and within minutes they took me through again, and they started on my teeth, preparing my teeth ready for the lovely teeth I got now. So they took me in, they sat me down in the dentist chair. The English was great. They were constantly communicating with me. They explained the procedure to me, what was going to happen next, and then the dreaded needles came. I'm diabetic. I hate needles anyway, which isn't great when you're diabetic, but they weren't too bad, and to be fair, it took all away the pain. So when they did the procedure and they started rounding my teeth off and preparing them for the zirconium crowns, I didn't feel any pain at all, to be honest, which was good because I'm not very good with pain. I would say after they finished that and put the temporary teeth on for you for a day, after a couple of hours I had a bit of just sensitivity, so I just took some painkillers. But they did offer me painkillers, they offered me whatever I needed really, but no, it wasn't too bad. And then that was on the Thursday, and then on the Saturday I went back in. I had my zirconium teeth fitted and made sure they were all perfectly aligned, and they were making sure I was happy with what they were doing and how I wanted them, which was fantastic. The dentists were amazing, by the way. Everybody, like I said, pretty cool and hip, and they just know how to sort of make you feel at ease and comfortable with everything that they're doing. So yeah, it's been a pleasure. So yeah, so then I went back in on the Saturday, they measured everything up, put them in, they looked amazing, and then they took them out again, and I went back in on the Monday and all put in, and here they are now. So happy. I can eat, I can do everything, I can speak, there is no lift like people say there is, there's nothing. I'm talking all fine, still a little bit tender, but I think that's going to happen for a couple of weeks. You know, when you've had people playing around with your mouth and your teeth, obviously you're going to get some discomfort. I'd be lying if I said you don't, because you do. But overall, I would certainly recommend Medlife. Nobody's telling me what to say. Nobody's paying me anything to say to you, these guys are great. Up till now, it's been fantastic. Hopefully the teeth last for years and years and years. But as I can honestly sit here and say, it's been amazing. Hotel's lovely. Communication's brilliant, very welcoming, and I'll certainly be back to Turkey again, maybe for some other procedures, you never know. Thank you.